RNG.
ED pronunciation.
The past tense ed endings pronounce as t.
And the base verb ends in a voiceless sound.
Then let's get started. Helped, jumped, developed. I jumped out of bed as soon as I heard my alarm. Worked, kicked, looked. He kicked the ball straight into the net. Snipped, popped, hopped. My dog snipped my shoes, so I washed them just in case. Missed, passed, guessed. I totally missed my subway train this morning. Washed, brushed, pushed. I washed my hands before eating. Watched, matched, itched. I watched a really good movie last night. Bathed, breathed, wreathed.
She bathed the baby and primed the bed.
RNG.